Hello guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss another OCR library that name is Tesseract. Tesseract is most open source software library for OCR. It was initially developed as a tool in C++, then in 2006 it is developed by Google. Now we will use as we are a Python developer, so we will use the Python Tesseract. Python Tesseract is a wrapper for Google Tesseract OCR engine, so it is also useful as a standalone invocation script to Tesseract, so it can read all image types supported by the Pillow and other image libraries including JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF. So let's start. So first of all we will rename our notebook. Notebook is Tesseract tutorial. So our input image that we are going to use is this one, G Tesseract OCR, and this image and code is available in GitHub. So first of all we are going to install some libraries that is essential. So install PyTesseract and Tesseract OCR in Google Colab. So first of all simply sudo apt install Tesseract OCR, shift enter, and then we will install pip install PyTesseract. Pip install PyTesseract. Then we will import some libraries that we need to perform this tutorial. Let's import libraries. Okay, so first of all we will import PyTesseract. Then we will import library import OS, and then try from PIL import image, accept, import error, import image, shift enter. Not for, it should be from, typo mistake. Okay, now we will read this image, perform the PyTesseract on this input image. So our image path is image path in Colab is equal to, and what is our image name is input underscore rename file, control A, control C, and paste here. Now we will extract the information using PyTesseract. Extracted underscore information is equal to PyTesseract dot image to string. This is the function, image to string, and image dot open image path in Colab, shift enter, and let's see what is our output. So this is the output, G Tesseract OCR, and let's see what was the image. Image was G Tesseract OCR, and here is the text. So that was the simple tutorial to just to tell you like how easily to perform the Tesseract on our OCR images, and there are many benefits to use the easy Tesseract. Either you can easy to use, false detection, it support 100 plus language, did oldest OCR library. So there are many you can say benefits to use the Tesseract. So that's it for today. If you like my video, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another video.